Hi, I'm Steve Rennicamp, the owner and founder of Energy Swing Windows. The thing that I'm most proud about with my company is the people that we have working for us who deliver every day to our customers.
Hi, I'm Tony Nanny. I'm an installer at Energy Swing Windows. My favorite thing about this company is it's very customer forward. We care about doing the right thing, and that's how we do business.
My favorite thing about working at Energy Swing Window is the product and the employees. They're great people to work for, great people to work with.
Hi, I'm Steven Stegner. I'm an installer, and I'd say my favorite thing would be my coworkers and the company as a whole.
Hello, my name is Justin Seaver. I do final measures for Energy Swing Windows. I'm the guy in between the point of sale and installation. And one of my favorite things about Energy Swing is having the confidence in our installation crews. So I know when I'm out doing final measures and talking to the customer about what's going to be delivered, that I have the confidence that the installation crews are going to be able to follow up with that.
Hi, I'm Lee Bauman. I'm project manager for Total Basin Finishing. And the best thing about Energy Swing, by far, by none, are the people.
So I'm Freddie. I am a project manager here for the window and door installation. Probably my favorite thing about here is that whenever we're done with the job, the before and after, seeing the customer's excitement and, just a total different look that it gives on the house.
Hi, Chuck Green. I'm a TBF installer. Favorite thing about the company is my partners in crime in the basement. We all pay attention to detail and we enjoy what we do.
My name is John Walter. I'm a TBF installer. One of my favorite things about working here is the camaraderie between all the employees and the entire staff. And it's nice to be able to be detail oriented instead of being rushed to do jobs. And I think that's one of the better attributes that we have as a company.
Hi, my name is Dave Nag. I work in manufacturing, and my favorite thing about working here is the fantastic people I've grown very attached to.
Hi, I'm Chris Saxton, Energy Swing Windows client consultant, and one of my favorite things about working for the company is how we really take care of our customers. From the top down, they never let a customer fail, and that is the best part of working here.
Kelly Arlia, I'm the customer experience specialist, and my favorite part about working here is my coworkers, the people, and giving our customers the best first impression that they can have.
Hi, I'm Zach Fontecchio. I'm a client consultant for Energy Swing Windows. My favorite thing about working for Energy Swing is definitely the coworkers and helping clients build the project of their dreams.
My name is Steve Graybill. I'm a project manager for the windows and doors side at Energy Swing, and my favorite thing about working for the company is my coworkers and the company values.
Hi, I'm Donnie Dara in sales here at Energy Swing Windows, and my favorite thing about working here at Energy Swing Windows is definitely all of my teammates and all of our customers. Thank you so much.
Hi, my name is Ron Strader, here with Energy Swing Windows. I'm the Director of Manufacturing. What I like most about Energy Swing Windows is that we are a family-owned and operated company, and we like to treat our customers the same way, as family.
Hi, I'm Jeff Blank, the operations manager here at Energy Swing Windows, and the thing I like most about Energy Swing is that we all have a voice and can contribute to the better good for all of our customers.
Hi, my name is Robin Glass. I work in the accounting department as an accounting assistant. My favorite thing about working here is the team spirit and the family-oriented atmosphere.
Hi, I'm Tony with Energy Swing Windows and Doors. I am our service manager here. I have been here for about 4 years. And basically my favorite thing at Energy Swing Windows is the people I get to see on a daily basis that allow me to take care of our customers and put out the best product we possibly can.
Hello, my name is Jeremy Bluwall. I'm the controller and marketing manager here at Energy Swing Windows. My favorite thing about working here is our people. It's basically a family.
Hi, my name is Isabella White. I am a marketing specialist here at Energy Swing. My favorite thing about working for the company is knowing that I can make a difference in what I do here.